Hello and welcome to this instructional JAMB video. Please follow these guidelines to successfully complete your UTME, which is now a computer-based test. First, type in your JAMB registration number into the text box and click on Login. When you log in, you should see your name and picture at the right-hand side of the screen. Make sure your picture and name are correct. If you don't see your correct name and picture, please raise up your hand and call the invigilator. You should be able to see the 4 subjects you are registered for. If there's a mistake in the subjects listed, please call the invigilator. You can skip questions and come back to answer them later. At the bottom of your screen, you can see questions you haven't answered and the questions you have answered. The timer at the top of the screen shows you how many minutes you have left to answer the exam questions of the current subject. For example, this candidate has 58 minutes left to answer his use of English questions.